In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use our cutting list tool, which will allow you to get instant prices and order your timber online. Using this drop-down menu, you can choose which timber you'd like to order. In this case, we're going to select American Ash. Then you can select the machining option. You can choose between planed or round, sawn boards, or a shaped profile. If you select planed or round, you will receive timber with a smooth finish planed on all its four faces. If you select sawn boards, you will receive timber with a rough finish. We're going to select planed or round. Now it's time to enter the sizes of the timber. You will need to use millimetres for thickness, millimetres for width, and metres for length. Then select how many boards you'd like to order. If you prefer imperial, there is a converter here. We are going to put in 20 millimetres, 120 millimetres, 3 metres in the length, and we'll put 5 number in the quantity. If you'd like to have your timber cut to the lengths you have specified, then select yes. If not, then no, in which case the boards will most likely be supplied longer than the length entered. The first option works perfectly if you don't have the equipment to cut the timber. But if you do, and you want to trim the boards yourself, then you can select no. You can always add, remove, or duplicate lines to expand your cutting list. Choose if you would like to collect your timber or have it delivered. Then enter the postcode. You can either select a specific date for the delivery or let us decide. Please contact us for the latest lead times on our products. If you're not ready to order the timber just yet, you can save the quote for later. If you click on it, you'll be able to give your name, email address, and receive the quote via email. At this point, there is no obligation, and you can use the cutting list purely for pricing. You don't need to sign up to our mailing list or commit to anything. When you are ready to place the order, click on Buy Now. It will take you to another page where you'll be able to review your order, add your personal details, and securely make the payment.